Isa sa pinaka-nakakapagod na gawain sa mundo, ang palaging patunayan ng sarili mo sa ibang tao. Sometimes, we care too much about what other people would say towards us. Ang hindi natin namamalayan, kumikilos at nabubuhay na lamang tayo sa opinion nila. Nakabase ang saya sa sasabihin nila, nakabase ang sense of achievement sa paningin nila. And when we encounter another disapproval or dissatisfaction, we get frustrated as if we are not doing enough. Enough in proving yourself to anyone. You don't owe anything from them. Starting today, decide to do what is right, do what you love without pleasing anyone but God. Dahil sa Kanya, walang frustration, may strength at motivation.